Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGORobotics. Super excited today to bring you Mr. Hino's Marble Run number 4, the Gap Trap. And it's another viewers versus viewers. It's so cool. You're going to have to see what this Gap Trap looks like. So stay with me. And after watching this video, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Come on, I know you can do it. So, everybody, Marble Run number 4, the Gap Trap is going to be our last Marble Run. It was, it's kind of like your favorite sequel movie. There's just going to be a time where it comes to an end and, we figure out, okay, that's it. And we're going to move on. So today, that's what we're going to do. It's another viewers versus viewers where we have 8 viewers that volunteered their names and their country, and we're going to watch them battle it out until the end when there's a champion. And then today, the Marble Run course has an obstacle called the Gap Trap. Super cool. It just adds a new element to the track, and you're just going to have to see it. So today, we're going to let those 8 people battle it out until there's a winner. Let's go ahead and take a look at the course, but especially that Gap Trap. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and take a look at the Marble Run 4 track. It is very similar to the other tracks, but the Tower of Doom is gone, and we have the Gap Trap here. So this track is elevated right here. So the marbles will jump this gap. If the marbles do run into each other, there could be a marble that falls into the trap. And obviously, if it falls into the trap, it cannot win. Now, there is a rule that the marble must cross the finish line here. So if a marble doesn't cross the line, we'll have to just redo it. Or if both marbles fall into the trap. So again, it will go down the ramp, over the gap. First one to cross the finish line will win. Let's go ahead and take a look at a demonstration of this. Ooh, and it jumped that gap pretty easily. All right, let me introduce you to the competitors in Mr. Hino's last Marble Run number 4, viewers versus viewers, the Gap Trap. We have defending champ Connor from South Africa in the blue marble versus Arda from Turkey in the red marble. In the next heat, we will have Mahith from India in the light green marble versus Sarthak from India in the clear blue marble. I predict India is going to win that match. Let's go to the next bracket. We have Nonbel 18 from Sweden in the yellow marble versus Nick from the Philippines in the clear red marble. We then have Ishan from India in the white marble with the orange, yellow, and green stripes versus Nathan from Jamaica in the green marble. All right, everybody, let's go to the first heat, which will be Connor versus Arda. Let's do this. Okay, everybody, so those are the 8 contestants in today's Marble Run number 4, the Gap Trap. Let's get this Marble Run going. Okay, everybody, we have Connor in blue. We have Arda in red. This is the first heat. Here we go. And Connor wins, and Arda fell into the Gap Trap. Okay, we have swap spots. Here we go. And Connor will win this heat. All right, great job, Connor. He will play the winner of the Mahith Sarthak match. So here we go. Okay, the marbles are ready. Mahith is in the light green and Sarthak is in the clear blue. Here we go. Match number 1. And Sarthak wins the first heat. Okay, they have swapped spots. Here we go. Heat number 2. And Mahith wins this one. This is going to go to a final and deciding match. All right, here we go. Final heat right here. None of these two have fallen into the Gap Trap yet, so here we go. And Sarthak is going to win this. Okay, congratulations to Sarthak. He will be up against Connor when we get to that match. Let's move on to the next bracket. We have non-belt 18 versus Nick. Here we go. Okay, we have non-belt 18 in the yellow and Nick in the clear red. Here we go, match number 1. Will anybody fall into the gap trap? And non-belt 18 wins the first match. All right, we have swap spots. Here we go. If non-belt 18 wins this, they're moving on. And Nick is going to take heat number 2. We go to a deciding match. All right, here we go. Deciding heat right here. Winner moves on. And Nick is going to barely win this one. All right, Nick from the Philippines is now going to move on to play the winner of the Ashan Nathan match. So let's get to that one. Okay, we have Ashan here in the white with the stripes. And then we have Nathan here in the green from Jamaica. Here we go, first heat. Oh, and Ashan wins that one. And Ashan ended up on the floor. Okay, everybody, correction. Nathan was the one that ended up on the floor. So here we go. Let's go to heat number 2. Oh, very nice. And Ashan wins that one. Okay, everybody, let's go ahead and take a look at the semi-final matchups. We have Connor from South Africa versus Sarthak from India. And on the other bracket, we have Nick from the Philippines versus Ashan from India. Let's go ahead to the first match here of Connor versus Sarthak. Okay, we have Connor here in the dark blue and Sarthak in the clear blue. Here we go, match number 1. Oh, and Sarthak crosses the finish line. Okay, Sarthak is up 1-0. Here we go, we've swapped spots. And Sarthak is going to win this. Okay, congrats to Sarthak from India. He will be going into the finals versus the winner of the Nick from the Philippines versus Ashan from India match. Okay, we have Nick from the Philippines in the red marble. We have Ashan in the white marble with the orange, yellow, and green stripes. So here we go, heat number 1. Oh, and Nick is in the gap trap, and Ashan takes heat number 1. Okay, we have swapped spots. Here we go, heat number 2. Oh, and Ashan is going to win this, and he will go to the finals. Okay, you're not going to believe this, but we will have an all-India finals here. We have Sarthak from India versus Ashan from India. Here we go, finals. Okay, we have Sarthak in the clear blue. We have Ashan in the white with the stripes. Finals, here we go, heat number 1. Ooh, that was close. Let's go to the review. Okay, after checking the review, Sarthak won that first heat. So here we go, heat number 2. And Sarthak is going to win Mr. Hino's Marble Run number 4. Viewers versus viewers, the gap trap. Okay, everybody, give it up for Sarthak from India. The viewers versus viewers, Mr. Hino's Marble Run number 4, the gap trap champion. Beautiful job, Sarthak. Very nice. Okay, everybody, so let's give it up for Sarthak from India. Beautiful job, Sarthak. Man, when you have 3 contestants from India, there's a great chance that India's going to win. So beautiful job. So that was marble run number 4, guys, the gap trap. I am sad to see this thing come to an end, but like I said, sometimes good things just need to come to an end, and it's going to be one of those sad things where I have to take the marble run track apart. So here's a cool part for you guys to see. You're going to actually get to see, take the marble run track apart. What I'm going to do is slow it down towards the end so some of you can, that want to build this yourself, can see how I built the tower part and the part that basically dropped the marbles. But I've never done this before, where I actually let you guys watch me take it apart. So are you guys ready? Let's take it apart.
Okay guys, I told you I would kind of slow it down here for this last part for those of you that would want to build this. So let me go ahead and take this apart, and maybe what you can do is reverse the video or something so you can see how it actually was built. But here we go.
Okay, so let me show you what this was. These were 9s that I had on the front. And then these were 11s that let's see. 3, 6, no, these were 13s that I had in the back. Okay, then 3 picture frames here, 3 picture frames there. Okay guys, so there is the marble run, all taken apart in an EV3 kit. So it's just funny to think that it went from this to the marble run, and then the marble run to this. But hey, all good things got to come to an end, right? Okay guys, so Mr. Hino's marble run number 4, the gap trap, is done. You guys saw me take the entire track apart. Yes, there is a bit of sadness in the air, but it was a cool run. You get it? Marble run, cool run. It was just neat to have you guys be able to participate and root for yourselves, and it was so cool to hear you guys root for each other in this marble run. And it was just one of those things where it fulfilled a dream. When I first saw a marble run, I think it was on dirt, and then I saw one on a regular track. I was like, no way, I gotta do that. So it was one of those cool things where I had it in my mind, and it was just cool to see it play out. So there comes an end to Mr. Hino's marble runs, but hey, there's always gonna be something new that I'll think up, so don't you worry, okay? All right, guys, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGORobotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.